Welcome back to the Random Vids channel. In this video, I'll make ginger ale. First, I'll peel and slice fresh ginger. Okay, now I'll slice the ginger. Okay, now I'll put this stuff on the stove. So I'll add 8 cups of water, 1 cup sliced ginger, juice from 4 limes, or about 1/4 cup, juice from 1 lemon, or about 1/4 cup, 2 oranges, 1 teaspoon coriander, and 1½ cups of honey. Now I'll stir it. Okay, now it's done. Okay, that's kind of messy. Okay, so now I have 5 cups. Now I'll let this cool and then come back to it. Okay, now the ginger syrup is cooled down. To serve it, I'll use ice, 1/3 cup of ginger syrup, and then I'll fill the rest of the glass with Perrier sparkling water. Now it's all ready to serve. Now that tastes really good. This is like the best ginger ale I've ever tasted. I might be a little bit biased, but anyway, if you enjoyed watching this video, hit the like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you next time. So I used 1 part ginger syrup to about 3 parts water, but you can add however much ginger syrup you want depending on how sweet you want your ginger ale to be.